adventure, lifestyle, Jamaica, anything. So today's video, we're going to jump on into it. It's an Unpopular Opinion Jamaica Edition. And please excuse the background wind and music, but I know a lot of you, including myself, like to hear the environment in videos. So if you enjoy it, that's another reason to give the video a like. And also, let me know if you do enjoy it down in the comments. So I'm looking to my right because I have my laptop right here, and this is where I have all my notes. So today I have 21 unpopular opinions. So you might find these true, you might hate them, you might not believe it. Deep down inside you might believe it, but do not hate me for these opinions. Some of them I think are true, some of them I don't. So we're just gonna jump on into it. Number one is Bob Marley is the only reason why Jamaica is still popular. So I posted this in my Instagram and on the community tab in YouTube, and a lot of you hated this because you think there are other reggae artists, dancehall artists, a lot of other influential people from Jamaica, and then a lot of other people said Jamaica itself is the reason why Jamaica is still popular and not because of Bob Marley. So number two, Jamaicans can't cook roti. So I don't really specifically know how to describe roti. I just know it's a Trinidadian, don't hate me. I just know it's a dish from Trinidad that's mainly eaten with curry. So I have never seen a Jamaican person cook roti, so that one might be very popular, okay? It's not unpopular, but I think I'm reading it wrong. Jamaicans really can't cook roti, and I don't think that's an unpopular opinion. Number three, Jamaicans always cook jerk chicken. Here's the wind. Jamaicans always cook jerk chicken at home. Maybe in America that one might be true, because I know second generation and after Jamaicans in America love jerk chicken. So that one might be true for America. But in Jamaica, I don't see much, if any at all, jerk chicken being cooked at home. Number four, Jamaicans can only run and aren't good at other sports. So that one is so false. We have a lot of other athletes who are good at swimming, good at gymnastics. I'm trying to think of the other sports, boxing, wrestling. So no, track and field is not the only thing we're good at, and just because we're the best at track and field don't mean you can single us into one group. Number five, Jamaican men ain't anything. So this one is very popular actually, where people will think Jamaican men are, you know, gallus, or Jamaican men don't care about their woman, or that, you know, they're cheaters. So this one is actually a very popular, unpopular opinion, because it's not true. Every person is individualized. Every person, you know, does their own thing. So you can't just say one group of men aren't, you know? Yeah. Number six, not every problem in Jamaican government, not every problem is Jamaican government related because of politicians. I think I wrote that down wrong, but basically not every problem in Jamaica is government related. So a lot of issues that we have, is because of us as citizens. We can do better as well. We can't say this and this need to change, this and this need to change, and it's not being changed because of politicians. We too can take the fall for a lot of things. So that one is an unpopular opinion, but it's true. Number seven, Jamaican Sunday dinner is overrated. First of all, who you talking to? Because Jamaican Sunday dinner is not overrated. I, for one, love Sunday dinner. I love my brown stew chicken, rice and peas with my vegetable. and my pear and my carrot juice, or you know, my other natural juices, you're a hater, and you probably have taste bad food on Sunday. That's why. Number 8, Jamaicans can't swim. A little bit. I know a lot of Jamaicans that cannot swim, but not every Jamaican can swim, but a lot of Jamaicans can't swim. Number 9, dancehall choreography is trash. First of all, just because you can't dance don't mean dancehall choreography is trash, okay? But I can understand where people, outsiders, are looking in. I might not understand, like, you know, certain dance moves, but it's not trash. Just because you can't do it don't mean it's trash. Number 10, Jamaicans will accept white people before they accept one of their own. Now this one, I would say it's like a win-lose, because it's kind of true where Jamaicans, depending on where, some Jamaicans might accept or easily take in foreigners before they take in one of their own, and this is sometimes, but like I said, some of these things aren't for everybody. Not everyone will do these things. Number 11, Jamaican houses look terrible. You're a hater. You're a hater. I can understand if you don't like a certain style of house, but Jamaican houses aren't terrible compared to a lot of places in the world, one. And then our houses, my friend brought up, our houses are always clean. Even if they look terrible on the outside, when you step inside the house, them clean. Unlike houses that look good abroad and you step inside and it's dirty and pop down. So that's just me. Number 12, Jamaicans love the idea of foreign more than the idea of making Jamaica a better place to live. Number 13, ackee and saltfish should have never been our national dish. Another hater. I see we got a lot of haters. Most of these people probably not even Jamaican. Number 14, Jamaican curry isn't the best. No, there is a curry competition going on with Trinidad, with India, with Japan, and I haven't tried curry in these other places, but from what I know, Jamaican curry tastes nice. Curry chicken, nice. Curry chicken and white rice, nice. Fried chicken, rice and peas and curry gravy, nice. So, number 15, Bob Marley isn't the greatest reggae artist. So I know some of the Bob Marley fans might hate this, but some of them will have Peter Tosh fans and, you know, other reggae artists. So if you have your favorite reggae artist and whoever you believe to be your favorite, drop it down below. Let's have some discussions. Who do you believe is the best reggae artist to come out of Jamaica, if not Bob Marley? And if you think it's Bob Marley, argue the point why. And don't just say because everybody know him. Give us some facts. Give us some, you know, oh, he invented this type of music, or he invented this type of sound. Like, let us know. If you don't live in Jamaica, or this is number 16, if you don't live in Jamaica, don't comment on what happens in Jamaica. Ooh, unpopular opinion. Yeah, I believe that, I mean, Jamaicans are all over the world, but sometimes it's just like, you know, when it comes to black people and black issues, you can't really comment on certain things that are happening if you haven't experienced it. But you definitely have your right to comment. Number 17, Vybzkartel is not the best dancehall artist to come out of Jamaica. If it's not Vybz, then who? If it's not Cartel, then who? If it's not the teacher, then who? If we are not the pupil, then who? So let me know what you guys think about that statement. Number 18, Sorrel is horrible. You never had a good Christmas, and it shows. Jamaica should have stayed a colony. I cannot even believe this one. This one is so dumb. Like, all bets aside, all opinions aside, no country should have ever been a colony, and no country should still be a colony. Somehow, yeah. Number 20, Wray and Nephew isn't the best rum. I haven't tried a bunch of rums to even comment on this one, but Wray and Nephew isn't bad. I like Wray and Nephew. Wray and Nephew is very affordable, and it's easy to mix up. You know, it's easy to put something with Wray and Nephew and have it taste good nonetheless. So if you have a rum that you like and you think it's better than Wray and Nephew, leave a comment down below. Number 21, and this is the final one, but I also have a part 2, so if you really want to see a part 2, leave a comment down below, like this video, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and let me know. So number 21, people get vexed over nothing. And I'm not gonna lie, Jamaican people get vexed easy, but we are no nonsense type of people, so take it as it is. It's an unpopular opinion, but that one is true, and there's a reason why it's true. So if you like this video, like I said, please leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about all these unpopular opinions. Do you think some of them are justified? If you have an argument, we have 21 things to talk about, so leave a comment down below. Make sure you turn on the notification bell, hit that bell, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Bye guys, thank you for watching.